Good morning, Lang friends. Today is Thursday, and I am going to go through the activities that we're going to be doing today. Starting off with, we are doing a review of rhyming. So I know all of you are awesome rhymers. So today's activity is actually to go around your home and find 5 different objects and think of a rhyming word with that object's name. So I did that at my house, and I'm going to show you the objects that I found. So one, I found a cup. So think of a word that rhymes with cup. Cup, pup, cup, pup. There's one. I found a book. Think of a word that rhymes with book. Book, cook. What's a star word that we know that rhymes with book? Book, look. Remembering that rhyming words have the same ending sound. So we're just changing that first sound to make a rhyming word. Here I have a bowl, 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 mole, bowl, mole. Those are rhyming words. I have a truck, truck, muck, truck, muck. That's a good one. And I have my phone. Phone. Ooh. I am thinking of a 3-dimensional shape that rhymes with phone. Can you guess my word? Phone. Cone. Phone, cone. Both have the same ending sound. So go around your house. You could even be outside and find different things. You don't even have to pick them up. You can just see how many things can you walk around your house and find words that rhyme with them. Now, some of your things around your house, like yesterday I showed you elephant. Well, that's going to be pretty hard to think of a real word that rhymes with elephant, but you could always make a nonsense word. So I can change elephant to melephant. Melephant and elephant rhyme. Melephant isn't a real word, but it is a rhyming word with elephant. So you can kind of make some funny words too just by changing that beginning sound and making a rhyming word. After you do that, Mrs. Coleman today is reading a book called Let's Go for a Drive, a funny book. So check that out. You are also going to be in your journal completing this page that says how I'm feeling. So we kind of are in a unique situation where we're staying at our houses and we can have a lot of different feelings. So during this time that we haven't been going to school and we've been staying at home, I want you to think of some feelings that you've had. And you're going to draw a picture of yourself here. It says words to describe how I feel. You might have a lot of different feelings. What I have learned most from this experience, what you're most thankful for, and then 3 things you're most excited to do when this is over. So if I were filling this bottom part out, I would say number 1 would be going back to school. I am really looking forward to going back to school and getting to see kids every day. And so you are going to write 3 things that you're most excited for. Maybe having a play date with your friends, or hopefully you want to go back to school too. So this is going to be this page that you're going to fill out. And you're going to be doing 2 different pages in your math. So this is write different ways to make a number. So here at the top, this is number 4, and there are 4 pictures across the front. You're going to write 2 numbers that you can add together to equal 4. Then you're going to write 2 different numbers you can add together to equal 4. There's 5 and 7. You're going to write sums of 4, sums of 5, sums of 7. So your two numbers you need to add together to get these sums. Now, I am going to do ways to make 6 up here just to kind of remind you how we can do that. So just like they have little pictures showing this sum, I just did 6 circles, ways to make 6. So you can show me 6 on your fingers. Can everyone show me 6? So we can put 5 on one hand, 1 on the other. We can actually do different combinations just with our fingers. So if I have 4 on this hand, I need 5, 6, I need 2 on this hand. Or if I have 3 on this hand, I need 3 more in this hand to make 6. So that's kind of what we're doing, but we're going to do this a little more systematically. We're going to start with the lowest number. What if we have 0? What if we have none? If I had 0 circles, how many circles would I need to make 6? So if I had no cookies and I needed 6, how many would I have to bake? That's pretty easy, right? 0, nothing, plus 6 gives me 6, right? So I've got 0 plus 6 equals 6. And remember, my sum has to be 6 every time. So I can go ahead and write those in, just like they're already, sums of 4 are already written in here for you. So now what I want to do is I'm going to color in one of my circles. You could color in one of your suns, okay? Now I have a different number sentence. 1 is colored, so I'm going to make my 1 that's black. So if I have 1, how many more would I need to make 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I know there are 6 circles here. I didn't add any, I didn't take any away. There are 6 circles. So if I color one of them black, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are left white. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. I could lock 1 into my head and count up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now I'm going to color another one. So I can write a new number sentence. Now I have 2 that are black, right? If I have 2 black circles, how many white circles do I have to make 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 4 gives me 6. Or I could lock 2 into my head and count up to 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 more gives me 6. Now, if I color another one, I have 3 blacks plus 1, 2, 3 whites. 3 plus 3 equals 6. If I put 3 on this hand, I need 3 more on this hand to give me 6 together. I can lock in 3, count up until I get to 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So I could continue on and I could color another one and write another sentence, color another one, write another number sentence. But we're going to stop here because by now you should kind of be getting the hang of how you are going to write different ways to make numbers. And that is going to be done on this page. And then on this page, this is something we do very frequently. This says, write the number needed to make 10. Shade in the boxes to help you. So in this example, they have 2 plus, this was our missing number, equals 10. So they shaded in 2 of the boxes and then counted how many boxes weren't shaded. And this was the missing number to show 10 in all. So on each one of these, there's 10 boxes, right? The sums of 10. So for example, here we have 1 plus what equals 10. So I'm going to shade in one box and count how many are left to make a 10. Now we do this a lot during our calendar time because we know we have how many fingers? We have 10 fingers. So I can show one finger and count how many are down. So if I want to know if I have 1, how many more do I need to make a 10? So I can count the fingers that are down. I know I have 5 on this hand, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10, right? So you would shade 1 here and write 9 because there are 9 unshaded boxes to make 10. Let's move on to 3. If I start with 3 and I shade in 3 boxes, how many will I have left to make a 10? So let's do that with our hands. Hold up your hands, show 3. Now I want you to count the fingers that are still down. That's the number that we need to make a 10. So we've got 3 fingers. I've got 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 7 gives me 10, right? So you're going to do this page and this page in your math. Then the school counselor, Mrs. Parrott, has planned a little lesson for us. So check that out. We love it when our school counselors come to visit. They teach us lots of cool stuff. And then Mrs. Drake has a music activity planned for you. So I hope all of you guys have a super awesome day. It's supposed to be really, really nice today. And I will see all of you tomorrow. Bye, friends.